Where are those original writings? We know the Jamaat made an excuse about Brahine Ahmadiyya because it wasn't completed, it wasn't finished. They claimed later on that it was burnt without giving any details. But what about 80 odd other books?
Yes.
If possible, a devout missionary, because I have not come across up till this time. I have interacted, Adnan Bhai has already, with most of their missionaries. I have not come across a single one of them who I can say that he knows 50% of his work.
Really?
Yes. I asked Razi, I said, Razi, what is the description or definition of Mirza Ghulam Qadiani about what is a miracle?
Did he know?
He did not know this.
He did not know.
Mirza Ghulam Qadiani said that it is absurd that someone is receiving revelation in a language which he does not understand. This is what he said. And then later on he said, I receive revelation in languages which I can understand. Now how to reconcile these two statements? If Jamaat Ahmadiyya is willing to hire me to translate all his work, for example, even if they want to contact me officially tomorrow, I'll start literally from tomorrow. Just give me 1 year. Within 1 year, I will translate all his work in English language with one condition. You have to put on the title that translated by Muhammad Imtiaz. This is my right?
Yes.
And I would not charge anything.
Wow. Okay.
Wow.
Fair deal?
That's
Absolutely.
That's yeah.
Yes.
They strongly deny the allegations that Mirza Ghulam Ahmad used really foul language, which we went.
We are facing one problem in terms of interacting with the Ahmadiyya clerics, and the problem is when you present something at a pure academic level, their response is he is lying. Look, you need to deal with the argument. Just you merely saying that he is lying is not a response.
Using the word bastard or a bastard child, do excuse my language please, but as they say, sometimes to clean the mess you have to get your hands dirty.
Mirza Ghulam Qadiani was a magistrate.
A magistrate.
Yes,
Okay.
and being in like a divinely appointed magistrate. Okay. He said that in this capacity he had the right to use this language. But as for us, the non-magistrates are concerned, we can't use that. I was talking to a doctor. He said that he also confirmed. He said that all of my friends around me from the Ahmadiyya movement, they are all practically atheists.
10 million, no problem. 5,000, you don't even have 5,000 people watching your content. The Caliph, his speeches, or your MTA programs, or let's say your global productions, no one is interested because their followers have lost belief.
Now the question is, it means that you are telling for last 100 years to the people that believe in Mirza, you will be saved. Jamba group is one of their own offshoot of Ahmadiyya. It's called Jamba. Abdul Ghaffar Jamba is the name of the founder of this cult. Now he says Mirza was a prophet, he was promised Messiah, he was the Mahdi and reviver. Now our question is, Mirza was saying that believe in me, you will be saved. Now Abdul Ghaffar Jamba and his group, they believe in all of the rest of the Islam and they believe in Mirza as a prophet, as a savior and everything. You're still saying they are disbelievers, they will burn in hell. The question is, then what is that condition which one has to fulfill in order to be Muslim?
It's pretty hard criteria by the time.